In the heart of Bur Dubai, where dreams rise with the desert sun, a new chapter unfolds. Texila American University, in proud academic partnership with the University of Central Nicaragua, celebrates a landmark moment of achievement. A gathering of families, mentors, and scholars, all united for a day of honor and pride. For every student, this moment reflects years of dedication, discipline, and perseverance. We were honored by the esteemed presence of Dr. Oscar Manuel Jimenez and Mr. Danilo Alkala Avendano Martinez. The ceremony began with an atmosphere filled with hope, gratitude, and celebration. Inspiring words reminded graduates of their responsibility to lead, serve, and make a difference in the world. One by one, they stepped onto the stage, carrying dreams fulfilled and futures waiting to unfold. Excellence was celebrated, achievements were honored, and perseverance was rewarded. Behind every success stands a family whose support makes every milestone possible. The evening glowed with culture, unity, and celebration, reflecting TU's global spirit. For the graduates, this is more than a ceremony. It is a memory, a milestone, a beginning. Congratulations to the graduates of 2025. Texila American University, shaping global leaders for a better tomorrow.